It is 4:24 a.m. I'm about to head off on my first market run in 6 months. I've been on maternity leave. It is the dead of winter here at the moment, the very beginning. It's so freaking cold, but it's a good time to sort of ease myself back into work because it's obviously very quiet. It's sort of the off season for weddings here. But I'm very excited. Let's go have a look and pick out some beautiful stuff for this weekend's wedding. It's a small one, but it's going to be good. I'm excited.
And make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, cause paradise is wherever we...
Also, stuff that I thought would be in season there's not much of, which sucks. That's why you always have a plan B. Always have plan B, because I can't find a couple of things. There's not enough of certain things that I need, unfortunately.
Tommy Bahama shirt, blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not...
It's like honestly the best $4.50 that I spend on market days. Oh. So if you're going to the Sydney Flower Market specifically, every trade market will be a little bit different. You need to keep a couple of things in mind. There are some safety procedures and there are also some timing issues. So if you're a member of the general public, you're allowed in after 5:30 a.m. I'm pretty sure it is. Before that, it is just for commercial trade pass holders only. And it does cost $14, I think, now to get access into the Sydney markets in general. So you'll have to pay that on your way in through the boom gates. The other thing is you do need to wear PPE, so personal protective equipment. That means high vis. I would strongly recommend wearing boots or some sort of hardy shoes because there are buckets of dirty water being thrown all over the place, wet floors. You are likely to slip over if you're not careful. No one wants to have wet, dirty feet a couple of days before their wedding and potentially get sick and things like that. So definitely enclosed shoes. And high vis is definitely a must as well because there are forklifts, trucks, all sort of giant vehicles zipping around here really quick in the dark. You need to be able to be visible. Again, no one wants to go splat the week before their wedding, do they? So I hope all that was helpful. If you have any questions about the Sydney flower markets or any flower markets in general or any just general flower questions, please drop them in the comments below. I'll pop a bunch of resources down there. And now go out there and plan the shit out of your wedding, you goddamn queen.